Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we would like to show to you guys how to make product categories on Shopify. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Shopify, and using product categories is very important for categorizing your different products, of course, so that you could also help your customers identify and find the different products that you have. And so I would like to show to you guys how you would be able to set up your product categories and how it would look like when you successfully added a proper category for your product. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Shopify, and you will be able to find the product category inside of products over here, as you can see. And when you first create a product, or when you create a new product, you will be able to see over here, you could add your typical things such as your title. Let's add something simple over here. So let's say Converse. And you could add your description over here. Converse shoes. Generate. So that we have a simple description over here. And then you can upload your media, the pricing, the inventory, shipping, and all of those typical important product information that you have. And you would notice over here, under product organization, you have your section category. The category is very important, and as you can see here, it determines tax rates, ads, beta fills, to improve search filters and cross-channel sales. Now, this means that you can create your own categories, but you will be able to select the important ones. So for example, if you select this, you will be able to select or see the different types of categories. So under the one we're using right now is shoes. So we could go back again, and these are the different categories that you have. So if the suggestion was wrong, or if you want to find out a more accurate description or category for your product so that people could easily find it much better and much quicker, I'll look through the different options that are available over here. As you can see here, they have animals, apparels, arts and entertainment, baby and toddler, and many, many more. And these are very general. So if you select one, for example, animals and pets, you could actually, as you can see here, even make it specific even further. As you can see, you could either be selling live animals, or you have pet supplies. As you can see here, you can be as specific as you can, because that is very important. So for example, let's go back to our shoes. Actually, over here we have shoes and other shoes. As you can see, we have more sections over here. So our Converse is flats, and as you can see, that would be like that. You can enter a product type as well, a vendor, and a collections. Now, collections kind of work similarly to categories without all of this tax rate and other information, but collections allows you to categorize your different products, add them into sections, so that if you want specific groups of products to exist, you are able to do that as well. So anyway, let's save this for now. Here we go. And let's go and view it through our online store over here. Let's see if we will be able to see the category inside of our store itself. So click on preview, and over here we have our Converse, currently sold out because I didn't add anything. And you will be able to see here that it's not showing us our section where it says the type of category, which is specifically shoes, as you can see here. Now that's something you will be able to sort and add into your Shopify store through your customizer over here. If you want people to be able to, find specific categories. So you could either do it over here on your section under the specific products over here. Here we go. This is the current appearance of our products. So there are different options here being displayed over here. If you want to remove things, you could easily delete it, like the share. There we go. We were able to delete, and to add products, you could easily add that as well, as you can see here. Then you will be able to see all the different things that you will be able to add, as you can see here. whether it's inventory status, stuff like that, it will appear over here just like that. And going back, leave page. If you view our product list over here, you will be able to see that we're currently in a category, as you can see, category, apparel and accessories, and categorized flats. It's categorized so that you could easily navigate through it as well, like navigate and find different types of categories that you want. You could navigate, or like you could arrange it, as you can see here. And mentioning the collection that I said earlier, that kind of works like a category. What you could do is you could create your own collections over here. I made samples like summer collection, winter clothing. So maybe you want to have a category where it's a specific theme. So maybe like go with butterfly theme. There we go. Then you could add your description, your images, and simply click on save. And after creating your collection, now you want to add products into that collection, of course, so that they are categorized and grouped together. You can do that by going back to your product list over here, identify the specific product that you want to add into that collection. Maybe our blazer over here. And over here on the right side, you can still see the product organization. You can now select collections and select butterfly theme. Click on save. And now the specific product will be inside of that specific theme. And then you could also set it up over here on your store where you could display specific categories on a specific page or a specific section of your page. So we could customize here. Currently, this featured product is displaying all products. So over here, as you can see under collection, we could change it. And we could choose to only display a specific category, maybe the butterfly theme. Click on select. And over here, it should only appear, it should only show up or display the product that is currently inside our butterfly theme. So that also works as a category because, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can make your custom categories directly, like with the name categories, but you could do or perform a similar effect with the collections where you could group different types of products that you want. So you could use that as a workaround as well. Aside from that, you guys could play around with the product description if you want to add or mention your categories as well over there. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Then thanks for watching.